Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove CapCut watermark from template. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone. And after that, I'm going to create a video using the CapCut template. Then I'm going to show you how we can remove the watermark from the template. Okay, I'm just going to go to the templates menu, and here we'll be able to get a lot of templates we can use for our editing in CapCut. You just need to select the template that you like. For example, I'm just going to select this October template. Then I'm going to replace the photos with my own photos. So I'm going to click on use template. Then I'm going to pick random photos from my gallery. Okay. Okay, and now the items have been selected and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and before we export the video, we can change the music and the text as well. In case you don't like the audio in the template, you can change the audio. And then you can select the audio which has been available right here. I'm just going to select this moment audio. You can also extract audio from video or import your own audio from your device. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and once you're ready to export the video, you can just click on the export menu right here. And then I'm going to show you how we can remove this watermark from the template. Go to export, and you will have option to export without watermark. Okay, just tap on export without watermark, and before it you can choose the resolution. Just click on export without watermark. Okay, and now the video is being exported, and we will be able to share this video to our social media such as TikTok without the CapCut watermark. Okay, this is the result guys. That's so easy, right? You just need to select export without watermark, and the CapCut watermark will be removed from your template. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove CapCut watermark from the template. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.